Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. Today we're going to do our daily technical analysis, updated commodities, work our way through the dollar, yields, precious metals, and commodities ETFs that I follow. I'll interject my financial opinions as I go through it. And if you need help with anything, check out finding-value.com. That's where I share and dive deeper into all these topics and sectors looking for investment opportunities and sharing it with everyone in the community. Special is the coupon code, 50% off the first month only on the monthly membership and a larger discount on the yearly membership if you'd like to sign up for a year. So let's dive in, take a look, see what's going on today. Starting with the DXY, we are flat on the DXY today, and we are falling in a falling wedge. That generally is bullish to break higher to the upside. And what could cause that? Yields going up. So we're seeing strength in yields. We're up 0.1%. We haven't broken out on the 2-year yet, but it is squeezing into a corner here, and we could see a potential breakout to the upside here at any second. We've got the 10-year yield also up 0.55%, and that is breaking its pattern to the upside yesterday. We oftentimes see pullbacks here in the short term, where we pull back and do a retest back test. We also have the 30-year breaking higher. We did lose a little bit of momentum throughout the day with a wick at the top, and we could see a pullback before going higher in the short term with a back test, retest type move. We've got TLT down slightly, but again, we broke out of that pattern and we could see a retest back to the trend line before heading lower again. So that very well could happen for yields and bond prices. The 2 and the 10, slightly lower with the curve right at support resistance coming through here, and we're right on top of it. We'll see which direction we choose here. To me, looks like we were trying to break higher, looped back around, trying to break higher again, and are encountering some resistance. TYX TNX ratio is down a little bit, so no big tailwinds behind gold today. More like just a little bit of headwinds. So gold was down $28.8 an ounce. We're still squeezing in this consolidation area and have not broken to the upside. We're on support, and it looks a-okay. Silver still looking pretty good, pretty small trading candlestick today. I think this is just a matter of time before something happens where it launches. I don't know if it's a tariff thing like copper had today, but we're up against a little bit of resistance here. Looks like we're trying to break through. We just haven't done so yet. Platinum's up 1.11%. That's already had the breakout. I'm not sure if we're going to get a retest move. We're consolidating a little bit where we're at. And that's all I really see. It still looks like we've got an uptrend going on. Palladium's up a little bit. And again, we've got some resistance above us, but we're not there yet. And this just looks like some sort of flag pennant formation that we are creating right now. So everything looks good to go higher in all of the metals, in my opinion, at this moment. XAU to gold ratio pulling on back, down 3.5%, where the gold and silver mining companies underperformed today. Now, some people ask, well, why? Why did that happen? I don't know why. People sold it. They sold the mining companies more than gold, and maybe they see a rotation coming where maybe gold and silver mining companies chop sideways for a little bit along with gold and silver, and maybe the inflation sensitive stuff comes into more of the limelight. But I wouldn't sell anything. I think this looks really good. A lot of good opportunities, still at ridiculously low levels. Everything looking good to go higher with time. So GDX is down 4.4%, getting some selling pressure today. Same with GDXJ down 3.77. Now, are these reversal candlesticks? we need to see follow through. Hold on, let's see if there's any follow through. SILJ. Now, what's interesting here? We were locked and prime, ready to go. We broke out yesterday. We had a very nice candlestick yesterday, but here we are with the big selling pressure candlestick. Kind of weird, but I still think it looks good. The overall metals look good to go higher, so I got to remain bullish on the miners too. Crude oil up 0.5%. We still haven't broken out of this downtrend line, which I'd really like to break out and get above and get some good, monthly or quarterly closings up there. But right now, we're underneath it, trying to work our way back up again. TTF gas up 2.76. That looks like it's putting in an effort to move higher. Still looks good. Natural gas down 1.91 in America. And again, we've kind of broken through this upward facing pattern. We've broken to the downside. So we could still see a little bit of further downside in nat gas in the short term. Our boy XOP, yeah, you know me, up 3.2% today. Getting some good buying pressure. Good, healthy buying pressure. That looks good to go higher. It looks pretty strong. We also got good, strong buying pressure in OIH up 4.86%. Still got my arrow. We're still above support. It looks good and looks like we're cutting through a little bit of resistance there to the upside. Looks good. Hopefully we can continue that momentum. Newcastle Coal Futures up 1.7, still above support. Looks good to try to work its way on up, if you ask me. Think of this as just a little consolidation, flag pattern, pennant formation, whatever it is. Doesn't really matter. Sprott Physical Uranium Trust down 2.83. We're going for the retest move. So look for support down in this 22-ish dollar area that we are entering. And I'm sure we'll hold above it. No worries. We've got uranium futures pricing pulling back 3.23%. Again, still in an uptrend. We got some gap closure maybe at $72 a pound. The equities getting some selling pressure today as well, minus 2.5%. We're consolidating here. Maybe we get a little bit of a pullback. Maybe we retest this breakout here at $33-ish. It's possible. I don't know for sure, but we'll watch it. See what happens. Uranium down 3% today. Filling in some gaps there. And URNJ down 4%, filling a gap as well. I drew that last time. And we're underneath resistance, so I'm looking for a big breakout candlestick that hasn't occurred yet. I'm looking for it. Come on, let's get breaking through this resistance. Nickel still seeing selling pressure down 1%. The sellers are still hanging around. They haven't subsided yet. We've got copper up 9%. What the gaggle happened here? Looks like tariffs. I don't know, tariffs on copper. I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, let's move some copper mines back to America. That's going to work. But here we are. Big breakout. We knew it was coming. We were right up basically at almost all-time highs. And here it is breaking out. COPX up 0.7%. That's already broken out of its pattern. This is the pattern through here. We're sitting on top. That looks good to go higher. Lithium up 3.5%. That's working its way on up. We've broken through the downtrends here. Fantastic to move up. Same with REMX. Up 4.8. We've broken through some downtrends. Looks good to go higher. Looks very good to go higher. We've got iron ore still chopping sideways. This thing's chopping for life here. It's got a nice little pattern going on where a flag pattern to go higher, so maybe it can generate the momentum to hopefully break out of this bigger pattern that gets us out of all of that stuff. Aluminum up 0.6. We're still underneath that key resistance area, which is a little bit above us. It's 2650. Baltic Dry Index chopping sideways, trying to find support at support. Makes sense. And I do think this is going to go this way. It's going to go up, 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 up. Emerging markets up 0.62%. I'm surprised that we haven't been cruising. Well, I'm not surprised. We've got a stronger dollar, but emerging markets look really good. They're in an uptrend. They're going to continue to move up. Move's also in an uptrend, 0.7% higher today. It looks good to continue higher. KRE is up 0.88. That looks good to go higher. These are all in trends now, guys. This is the bottom here, and now we're in an uptrend. So they're all in uptrends. XHB doing a little retest move here today for home builders, and I do think this will go up. Russell's going up 0.66. That's in an uptrend. The S&P 500's down a little bit, but it's in an uptrend. The Nasdaq's down a little bit, but we're in an uptrend above support. Looks good to go higher. Small selling pressure, bigger buying pressure, up, up, up. Dow Jones Transportation Index average moving higher. We are getting to some resistance right through here at about 16,500. 16,500. XLI down slightly, but we're in an uptrend, guys. We've broken, making all-time highs here. Up, 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 up. We've got SMCI up 4.2. That's a flag pattern to go higher. NVIDIA up 1.12, looking to go good to go higher. Bitcoin's up 0.8. That looks good to go higher. Ethereum's up 2.55. What do you think? Looks good to go higher if we can break through this. Bitcoin's breaking higher, so I would guess that Ethereum's going to follow with it. MicroStrategy's up. That looks good to go higher. Everything looks good to go higher. And the VIX is down 5.5%. So no problems there. That's what I've got for today, guys. Give me a thumb up for the content. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the website. We got a midweek update being released probably late today. Everything looks good. Everything looks good to go higher. I know we had some selling pressure in the gold and silver mining companies, but I wouldn't worry at this point. The metals look pretty well positioned. They'd have to start breaking down for me to change my mind here. So everything looks good. Everything. Oil, energy service, lithium, rare earths, S&P, NASDAQ, the Ethereum, crypto, all looks good. All right, guys. That's all I've got for today. We'll catch you later. See ya.